If you've been wanting to start digital marketing but feel completely overwhelmed, this video is your step-by-step starting point. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester, mom of 4 living with a chronic illness. I help moms, dads, and empty nesters build simple online income from home in a way that fits real life. Before we jump into the steps, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly videos. I share clear, simple digital marketing training for beginners who want more time, flexibility, and purpose. If you're a beginner, you don't need another complicated course. You need a clear, simple path. In this video, I'm going to walk you through digital marketing step by step for beginners. By the end, you'll know exactly what to focus on and what you can ignore. We're going to cover step 1, choose a simple offer. Step 2, understand who you're helping. Step 3, pick one platform. Step 4, set up a simple funnel. Step 5, start your email list. Step 6, use a 2-hour-a-day routine. Think of this as the video map I wish someone had handed me when I started. The first step in digital marketing is not social media. It's your offer. As a beginner, the biggest mistake you can make is trying to create everything yourself. That's where people get stuck for months. Instead, start with a simple, proven offer. For many beginners, that looks like a done-for-you digital product or system that's already created and ready to sell. The benefit of this is huge. You don't have to create the product. The tech and delivery can be done for you. You can start focusing on sharing and marketing right away. Inside the community I'm in, people are using a done-for-you system where the products, the funnel, and the tech are already built. Some of them are having $300 days, $600 days, and even $900+ days because they're not stuck building everything. They're focused on following the steps and getting the offer in front of the right people. For you, step 1 is simple. Decide on one clear offer that you'll promote. Once you have that simple offer, you need to know who it is for. Digital marketing works when you talk to one kind of person about one kind of problem. Maybe your person is a tired mom who wants more time with her kids, a dad who's burned out from long hours at work, an empty nester who feels lost and wants a fresh purpose. You don't need to get this perfect. Just choose one person you're talking to and one main struggle they have. Ask yourself, what is she worried about at night? What does he wish he could change about his work or income? What does this empty nester feel she has lost and wants back? Your goal is to become very clear on who you help and what you help them with. This clarity will guide everything you do next. Now that you know what you're offering and who you help, it's time to choose where you will show up. As a beginner, trying to be on every platform is one of the fastest ways to quit. Instead, pick one primary platform. YouTube if you like teaching and longer videos, TikTok if you like short, quick content, Instagram or Facebook Reels if your friends were already there, Pinterest if you like search-based visual content. One platform, one person, one problem, one offer. That is a simple, powerful setup. Now we're getting into the part that sounds a little scary, but it doesn't have to be. A funnel is just the path people take from discovering you to becoming a buyer. For beginners, keep it as simple as possible. a landing page where people can enter their email to get something of value from you, a thank you page or a simple sales page that introduces your offer, a checkout link where they can buy. You don't need a full website and you don't need 20 pages. Your funnel is where your offer lives and where your future income comes from. The done-for-you systems I like have this funnel already built. You plug in your details, connect your email list, and you're ready to go. That's how beginners move faster with less stress. The next step is building an email list. Your social media is rented space, but your email list is your home. Your email list lets you talk directly to your people, share your story in a deeper way, send them back to your videos, invite them to your offer. You do not need to overcomplicate this, my friend. Start with a simple lead magnet or a free guide, a short welcome email sequence that introduces you and your story, a few follow-up emails that teach, encourage, and point to your offer. This is where the long-term income happens. And once it's set up, it can work for you even when you're offline. If this is starting to click and you want someone to walk with you through this exact path in more detail, make sure you subscribe and grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. The blueprint shows you step by step exactly what to do, even if you are a complete beginner. It covers choosing a done-for-you digital business, setting up a simple funnel, creating content that actually brings in traffic, and automating your income. You can follow it with just your phone, Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. It's easy to follow and designed for real life, not for someone who has 8 hours a day to sit at a computer. Now let's talk about how this fits into your day. You don't need all day. You need a small, focused block of time. Here's a simple 2-hour day structure you can use. Spend 1 hour creating 3 small pieces of content for your platform. Spend 30 minutes going live or posting free ads. And spend 30 minutes replying to comments, answering questions, and connecting. You can do this before work, during a quiet window of time, or in the evening. Whatever fits your life. The key is consistency. Small, focused actions every day beat big, exhausting pushes once a month. Let's put it all together so you can see the journey. So you start by choosing a simple offer so you're not stuck building. You get clear on who you help and what they struggle with. You pick one platform so you're not scattered. You set up a simple funnel so there's a clear path for people to follow. You start an email list so you can build real relationships. You follow a 2-hour a day routine so you can grow without burning out. That's digital marketing step by step for beginners. It's not about doing everything, my friend. It's about doing the right things in the right order in a way that fits your life. If this video helped you see the path more clearly, make sure to subscribe so you never miss my new tutorials. And don't forget to grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description. It's a simple step-by-step system that moms, dads, and empty nesters are using to build real income from home with nothing more than a phone, Wi-Fi, and a couple of hours a day. You don't have to figure this out alone. I'm cheering for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.